Look, almost every blade out there comes in black. However, the Craighill Rook blade is one of the very few we can call ours. Let me explain. I've shown this off before, and for good reason. I find it's the perfect size to carry with you daily, offers more than enough sharpness to cut open your Amazon boxes, and is easily one of the best looking blades that won't scare everyone around you when you flick it open. The ergonomics allow you to handle it at every angle and put in force when needed, plus the sharp tip pierces through everything we've needed to split open. It's a blade we're not afraid to get dirty, toss around, and leave a few battle scars behind. It's the symmetrical design, rounded tops and bottoms, combined with the satisfying flick. What isn't there to love for a daily beater? They currently offer it in a few color variations too, which honestly, I don't hate the gold and black combo. It's got total pirate vibes, but the blackout is and has been one of our favorites. Their current version is super minimal, which means it can fit into a wallet, your pencil case, or even that pen slot in your bag too, because who actually uses it for pens anymore?